Hi, I'm Patricia Iannelli, business developer at Transport Events. As an events organizer, our business has been, of course, seriously affected by the COVID outbreak. At present, all our physical conferences and exhibitions have been postponed to the second half of 2020. To overbridge this period, we decided to go digital. We are testing a new app for online events, and our first event, Black Sea in Istanbul, is now completely online with conference presentations, speakers, exhibitors, and so on. We are also organizing a series of webinars, inviting international experts to report about relevant topics for the logistic maritime sector. And in 2021, hoping to be out of this emergency, we will organize an event in Valencia in cooperation with Valenciaport. At this regard, I would like to thank the team of Valenciaport for their excellent partnership and support. Thank you very much.